short answer is I'm not having to tutor my daughter in algebra, and I think that's better for everyone. Going to a physical, like brick and mortar center and just wondering who's on staff that day and what their backgrounds might be. So it's nice to have the consistency and the professionalism and I assume the vetting process that you're going through to know that these people are trained and qualified to put together a knowledgeable, comprehensive tutoring program, and that they're able to explain it to children in a way that will make sense to them. Because not everyone can explain concepts in a way that a child will understand. We're still fairly new within the algebra program, and so I struggle to, I guess, answer this with a lot of depth. But what I can say is that my daughter feels much more confident in her critical thinking skills since joining Thinkster overall, but also specifically within the algebra program. I think it's really helped her to figure out how to understand how to write out an equation. That was beginning to be the case when she'd deal with word problems, and I think it's been even more concrete as she's come into the algebra program to just really understand how to look at a math situation and understand what the equation is behind it. Thinkster overall has been great because it's always offered us the flexibility to do the work when we have the time for it. They really see a lot of value in that. They've got a great rapport with their tutor, and they just enjoy getting there and talking about the concepts that they've learned, and they love the tutoring conferences. My daughter is particularly proud of the fact that her tutor helped develop the Algebra 1 program, and I think it almost incentive to work even harder to complete the worksheets because she knows that her tutor is part of that developmental process. So I think that from an algebra perspective, she really enjoys those conversations, and I know that I've really enjoyed that when we have a homework issue that's just stumped us, that I can send that along to her tutor and they'll cover that in the next session.